If you want your tomatoes to bear fruit like never before, strong, healthy, and full of large fruits, then you've come to the right place. Many complain tomatoes start well, but later stop. Leaves turn yellow or flowers fall off without forming fruits. This often happens because the plant lacks the right nutrition at a crucial moment. Water alone is not enough. Tomatoes consume a lot of energy and cannot produce maximum yield without additional nutrition. Experienced gardeners never leave growth to chance. A common mistake is too much chemistry, which gives a short-term effect, but depletes the soil in the long run. Natural nutrition not only nourishes the plant, but also strengthens the roots and immunity of the tomato from the inside. If your tomatoes are growing slowly, have thinner stems, or are flowering less, this is a clear sign they need additional support. This method can be used with both young seedlings and already established plants. It is simple, cheap, and completely natural. And now, what you've been waiting for, the best natural fertilizer for tomatoes, which you can make in minutes. This is one of the best natural fertilizers for tomatoes, used for years by experienced gardeners, giving visible results after the first application. You already have everything you need at home. Add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar to a liter of lukewarm water. Mix well and leave for 30 to 60 minutes to activate. Water the soil around the roots with this solution, never on dry soil. The yeast stimulates root growth, the plant absorbs nutrients faster, and the tomatoes begin to grow stronger and more evenly. The leaves become dark green, the stem becomes stronger, and the flowers fall off less. The sugar serves as food for beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which additionally strengthens the plant from the inside. Use this supplement every 15 to 20 days, especially during the flowering and fruit formation phase. Don't overdo it. 1 cup per plant is enough. After a few applications, you will notice more flowers, more set fruits, and healthier tomatoes without diseases. Dear gardeners, if you want large, juicy and tasty tomatoes without chemicals, this is a trick you must know. Follow the channel and share the video, because tips like this make a difference in the garden.